Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to upload resume on LinkedIn. So this is a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is to go to any web browser and log in your LinkedIn account. Now, all you have to do now is to simply go to this part, tap me, and then click this view profile here. And then once you're here, all you have to do is to select this add profile section that is next to open to. And then here under add to profile, tap add featured. And then after you tap this add featured here, it will take you directly to this area or section. You just have to simply click this plus icon. And then we have here options, add a post, add an article, add a link. We have here add media, tap this one. And then import the resume from your computer or any of your device. Okay, so you just have to type or enter a title here, resume, description, everything is up to you. Let's just say my resume, and then here it is. Now all you have to do is simply tap save, and that's it. You can see your resume or your file here once you refresh that. So this is what it looks like. Also, you can see your resume if you go back to your profile, tap me again. Okay, and then after that, go to view profile. You just have to scroll down, and here it is featured. Here's your resume. And that's how easy it is to upload resume on LinkedIn. So if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.